So what's the project for today, Simon?
Project for today is putting lights up the mast for Christmas to make it look like a Christmas tree.
And what's your plans?
My plans are, we've got 150 foot length of rope LED Christmas lights, and I've just found the middle, and I'm going to stick that up 3/4 of the way at the mast, and then I'm going to come down the diagonals and across through on the spreaders, so hopefully it'll look like a Christmas tree.
And have you ever done this before?
No, I've never done this before. We've got the smallest Christmas tree over there.
There's our small Christmas tree.
Okay, and
we need to turn the lights on.
And hopefully we'll have a big Christmas tree up the mast. Watch this space.
Watch this space.
So you're going to be doing that, and also just making sure this untangles nicely. So you and Kim, you listen to me mainly, but you can stop me at any time.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the winch.
Yeah, you're doing the winch.
Okay.
So you probably need to be just on the other side of there, and you just pull it. Let Kim work on it.
Okay, ready to go?
Ready?
Yeah. How's it going, Simon? What you doing? Yeah? Okay, so Randall's Simon brought up the middle of the lights. Randall just brought it to the side. And now we're going to drop them to the next spreader. We're having to send up scissors because the zip ties need to be trimmed. So we used a halyard to send him up to Simon instead of him coming all the way back down and getting him and going back up. So the scissors didn't work, so we're now sending up kind of like a knife.
Ready?
Okay, here it comes. How's it going, Simon?
Good. Bring me down.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm thirsty. finished? You can let me down now, please.
Randall, should we keep him up there?
Yeah, we should.
We gotta wait till it gets darker before you can really see it.
Must be nice.
So what
Gets it all set up for a party.
do you think about the lights?
I don't like lights. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? There's a bright one in my eye.
I've seen it.
You can see it?
Yeah, what? Well, I can't.
Okay.
Right, it's behind the aircraft carrier now.
Okay, so
It's going to come out 5, 4.
Is that it there? I think I can kind of see it. It's to the right of the.
There
Yeah,
it is.
there it is.
2 miles, bear left onto US.
Okay, there's the aircraft carrier with the lights going up in a upside down V, and then our lights are those really kind of bright white ones right in the middle of the screen. That's Britican lit up.